Hey guys, Digital David here. Today I'm excited to be unboxing and reviewing for you all a Jackie LED. It's a smart outlet with a built-in nightlight. I did receive this to review, but any opinion expressed in this video is truly my own. That being said, you can go ahead and check this out in my video description below. I have a link that'll take you right to Amazon, so you can see the most current pricing and read more about this item. I'm excited because Jackie LED is a new partner in my channel, so I hope to have a lot more products from them in the future. That being said, here's how it comes packaged to you. It looks really cool right here. So this is a 2-pack Jackie LED. It says Wi-Fi dual smart outlets with nightlight. So the fact that this has a nightlight built in is really cool. I've reviewed other smart outlets. I've yet to come across one with the built-in nightlight. So really excited for that. This is really cool. Really nice packaging. Great little graphics right here. You can just see all the features, voice timing, smart light. It has an app. You can share it, IFTTT compatible, Google Assistant, Amazon Alexa, that sort of thing. So here's how it comes packaged. Without anything else to do, let's go ahead and open it up. Cool. First thing out of the box, thank you. Make sure you're happy or unhappy. Leave them a great review. If you buy this product, please go ahead and write your thoughts and experiences and share that on Amazon. It really helps out these brands. Here is their user guide and manual. It looks really straightforward. Really excited about this. This also uses the Smart Life app. If you've seen any of my other videos, I love the Smart Life app. Most of these products use it. I really hope that when I come across them that they do and they don't have their own app, because the Smart Life app can be work with so many different products from different manufacturers. It's nice to have it all in one app. So that's really cool. There is the setup right there. The instructions are really helpful. They have tons of screenshots to make sure you can do it with your iOS and Android device. You definitely want to keep this for reference in case you're trying to set up Google Assistant or your Amazon Echo. So we'll take a look at the app a little bit later to see its functionality. And now let's look at the 2-pack and see the units themselves. So here we go right out of the box, both of them. Yeah, wow, really cool. Nice form factor. You can just kind of see it's about the size. It fits right in your hand. Just got your typical plug on the back to go in an outlet. And it looks like if you plug this on the top of an outlet, you would still be able to use the other outlet below in your receptacle, which is nice. You could have 3. And this nightlight looks cool. I can't wait to power that up and see how it works. But this looks really great, really solid, cool, really happy with it. It does have the branding on the front. Sometimes that might bother people, but if this is going to be behind a shelf, a case, bookshelf, that sort of thing, nobody will ever see. But this is really, really cool. So now we'll go ahead, we'll plug it in, download the app, and set this up. All right, so I'm back here. I have everything set up. I got a lamp plugged in so you can see it turning on and off. I have this plugged into extension cord so we can see it work in real time. I have the app downloaded already, so go ahead on your phone right now. You can go to the Google Play Store or the Apple Play Store on your iOS device and download the Smart Life app. Once you have it downloaded, select it on your home screen. And it'll welcome you. You might have to create a profile if you don't already have one. Once you do, it's really simple and straightforward to add a device. So currently I don't have this device added, so we're going to do this really quick. In the top right corner, you hit the plus button. It says add a device. So what do we want to add? We want to add, more than likely, we're going to add an electrical outlet. So we'll hit that. Power on the device and confirm that the indicator light rapidly blinks. So I'm going to power this on for the first time, which is really cool. And you can see how sweet that LED nightlight is. And then I believe I have to hold the power button for about 5 seconds. Okay, so the nightlight itself is flashing, which is cool. Confirm that it blinks. Enter your Wi-Fi password. Then it'll go ahead and connect. All right, so the device was successfully added. If you noticed in the video, I did have a network error. Not sure what that was, never seen that before, so I just went ahead and did it again. Right there, you can see that on the screen, and it worked fine. So that being said, we were able to overcome that little error. You can name it whatever you want right here if you want to change the name. I like that though, smart plug with nightlight. So hit complete, and it says we're online. So now we'll go ahead, we'll go into the device. So what do we want to do? You can control each individual socket, which is really cool. I have not seen that functionality before. And then you can turn the nightlight on and off. So for fun, let's go ahead. So it's all on, all off. So there's all on. But then you can just tap the icon. And so you can choose, do I want the left socket to stay on and the right socket, one or the other? So that's really, really neat. So it gets specific to each individual item, which is really cool. Not sure if you can see that or not, but so just for fun, I'm going to turn the socket with the lamp plugged in off, but everything else remains on. This nightlight and the other blank socket. Turn that back on. I'm going to turn the second socket off. We have nothing plugged into it, but that's really neat. You have that functionality. So when you do have another item plugged in. And then I want to keep everything on, but I don't want the nightlight on all the time. Turn it off right there. So this is really cool. You can adjust the brightness as well. So the brightness for the nightlight's at 100 right now. And you can make it go all the way to 1%. It hardly looks like it's even on. So that's really cool. A lot of functionality there. And then you can schedule each switch. So if you look on the phone, it's an empty schedule list. You can add a schedule. So do you want to repeat what time? And then when do you want to repeat? Which days of the week? And then what do you want to do? Switch on or switch off? And you can save that. Same for the other switch. And then there's a countdown. So do you want to do a countdown and then it shuts off? So set a timer. So if you do countdown on 1 minute, okay. So it should be counting down right now to shut off. So really a cool app, really great functionality. Again, so all the things you can control are right here within it. So we'll go ahead, turn it on and off again. There's the schedule. We just did the countdown. So do you want to turn it off, on, that sort of thing. So it's really neat. Let's go up here and see what else we have. Device name, device location, check network, supported third-party control, Amazon Alexa, Google Assistant, IFTTT. You can share the devices, create a group, device information, check for firmware upgrades. So you can set people up as family members when you share it, create a group. So then you can control multiple items within the Smart Life app together, which is awesome. So again, say you bought this product, but then you have a couple different ones from other manufacturers that aren't the same. Well, then you can group them in here and control them. So really gives you a lot of flexibility. It's really, really cool. Again, you can use Google Assistant. That'll load. So it shows you how to connect through, which is really nice. And then you can do Amazon Alexa. Same thing. It's going to show you with a video as well how to connect your Echo devices. And then IFTTT should be the same thing. Screenshots and everything. So I'm not going to spend much time on that because once you get in the app, you can see all that yourself. But just know this is a really cool product. This is my first experience with JACKYLED. Really happy, really excited to have some more products in the future to review for you all. Smart Life app's a huge plus if you ask me, so you're not using like a crummy app and then you just kind of feel like your product's not really worth having. So Smart Life app's great, makes this product amazing. The LED's really cool, really nice design, really well thought out if you ask me. So really a great product, really excited to have it, and I'm glad I was able to review it for you all. So leave me any questions, comments, concerns you may have in the comments below. Hit that like button if you haven't already. Hit that sub button. I'd love to have you guys be a part of my channel. Go ahead to join my newsletter. I'd love to keep in touch with you guys, send you out some promos, that sort of thing. So look forward to seeing you on my next video. Thanks for being here.